You know that feeling when you've explained the same idea to 3 different AIs, got 3 genuinely good answers, and then spent the next 2 days wiring up APIs, setting cron jobs, and fighting some random auth error at 2 in the morning? That's not an intelligence problem, that's a persistence problem. Every AI we use lives inside a chat window. You close the tab, the work dies. Next conversation, you start from 0. And nobody's talking about this. So I tried CREAO, and here's what clicked for me. You describe what you want once, it builds the system, and then the AI steps out of the way. The thing you built just keeps running. The conversation ends, but the infrastructure doesn't. Let's dive in. Here's how it actually works. CREAO is an AI super agent that doesn't just answer you, it acts. You talk to it in plain English, it understands what you're trying to do, writes and executes code live, connects to your real tools like Gmail, Google Sheets, GitHub, Slack, Notion, and a bunch more. And with one click, you lock that workflow into a permanent app that runs on a schedule. No terminal, no deployment, no API key juggling, no separate developer. And the key idea is, the AI is only there for the first conversation. First run, it improvises and builds. Every run after that, the app executes directly. Completely deterministic, zero hallucinations, no LLM thinking in the loop. Let me show you a concrete example. I asked CREAO to check the pricing pages of a few competitors, log the current prices into a Google Sheet, and schedule that to run every Monday at 9 in the morning. One prompt. On screen, you literally see CREAO write the scraping logic, run it live, and the numbers appear in the sheet right away. Then comes this magic moment where you click once, that whole workflow freezes into a mini app. You confirm the schedule, Monday at 9, and from that point on, it just runs. No AI, no chat, no remembering the prompt. It's a production tool. Where this really opens up is when you bring your own APIs into the picture. I handed CREAO the API docs for a niche tool and said, integrate this, save it as a skill, then build me an app that pulls my weekly revenue and posts a summary to Slack every Friday. No pre-built integration, no manual setup. CREAO read the docs, built the integration in real time, and saved that as a permanent skill in my account. It shows up in the skill library, and any future app I build can call it without me re-explaining anything. Your account basically compounds with every conversation. I also tested a personal ops dashboard. I told CREAO, every morning, pull my GitHub commits from yesterday, my revenue from Lemon Squeezy, and my top performing tweet. Then write a 1-paragraph summary and email it to me. Same pattern. It connects everything, runs the first pull live, I open my inbox, and the summary is already there. Then I lock it in as an app, set it to 8 in the morning, done. My entire morning briefing built in one conversation. The AI isn't involved anymore, it just shows up in my inbox. If you've used ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, or automation tools like Zapier or N8N, you'll recognize the gap this closes. Chat models think but don't run on their own, and nothing survives the conversation. Automation tools run but don't think for you. CREAO sits across that entire pipeline. It thinks, it builds, it connects to real tools, and what you create outlives the conversation. That last part is the actual product. It's not magic though. You still need to know what you want. Vague prompt, vague system. And you want to sanity check the first run, especially if it's touching real data or sending messages. But once you hit that solidify button, you're not babysitting it anymore. There's a free tier with around 30 credits a month, so you can actually try building a few flows without paying. Pro is $25 a month, 250 credits, full integration access. The bigger story here isn't another AI tool. It's that I can say, I asked an AI to build me something real. It built it, it's still running, and I haven't touched it since. That's the shift. From AI that helps you think, to AI whose work outlives the conversation. Link to CREAO is in the description. Go join the project, build one thing that would normally take you a day of wiring APIs, and see if you can get it done in a single conversation and one click. And drop a comment below telling me what workflow you'd automate first. I genuinely want to know. Subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.